the 2013 Infiniti G37. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the features and options for which you've been searching. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Infiniti prioritized handling and performance with features such as one-touch window functionality, speed-sensitive wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, power moonroof, and leather upholstery. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Infiniti also prioritized safety and security with features such as front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.